Hi dears, bonjour. Today we are going to see the numbers in French. Les nombres. Les nombres. Les nombres means the numbers. Les nombres. We are going to start with 0. 0. 0. Z with an accent R-O. 0. What? 0. 1. It's A. U-N. A-N. A. A. 2. It's the. The. 3. It's 3. 3. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 is 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 5 is 5. 5. 5. 5. 6 is 6. 6. 6. It will be the same spelling, but pronunciation will be different. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 8 is 8. 8. 8. 8. 9 is 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 10 is 10. 10. 10. 10. Let's repeat one more time from 1 to 10. Okay? Un, deux, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's repeat one more time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next we will see from numbers 11 to 20. Right? For 11 is 11. 11. 11. 11. 12. is douze, 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 douze. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. 14 is 14, 14, 14, 14. 15 is 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. 16 is 6, 6, 6, 6. For 17 is 17, 17. You have studied these 10 and set 7 in numbers 1 to 10, right? So for 17 it is the set. 10 plus 7 is 17. So that concept the set. The set. The set. Like 17, the same will be followed for 18. How? These with. Right? This with. This with. This with. This with. And same for 19 also. How? This now. Right? This now. This now. This now. And for 20, it is van. 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 Let's repeat one more time from numbers 11 to 20. Right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's repeat one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today's class, we have seen the numbers from 1 to 20. First, practice the numbers from 1 to 20. Just practice the pronunciation of the numbers from 1 to 20. Then it will be easy for you to see the remaining numbers from 21 to 100. Okay, in the upcoming class, I will teach you the remaining numbers. Before that, you need to practice the pronunciation of numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, at home, please make a try to read the pronunciation of the numbers. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay. Okay, dears. Merci. Au revoir.